Hey everybody, Frank Finance here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about one company that benefits greatly from what's happening with AMC right now. If you didn't know, AMC is up 2,500%. Yes, 2,500%. So they've been able to do that in a little less than 7 months, and that's just quite tremendous. But with the tremendous rise in AMC and the interconnectivity of all the companies that we look at, what is one company that benefits from this? Now, before I mention what that company is, you have to understand the interconnectivity between the two. Now, we have to go back a little bit to understand what was the problem with AMC and what has changed since then. So back in March of 2020, AMC had to shut down all the theaters. What this caused was them to go into what people were assuming was possible bankruptcy. Now, over the course of the last year, they've issued more shares, they've issued more capital, and they have more cash on hand than they previously did. At this point, they are not at risk for bankruptcy. They've been able to they've issued 4 times as many shares as they had outstanding before. And so with that increased cash on hand, bankruptcy is basically off the table. Now, the company that benefits from the bankruptcy being off the table is EPR Properties. The reason why they benefit from this is because they are a primary debt holder of AMC. AMC leases out properties from EPR, who is a real estate investment trust, on a lot of their properties. 20% of EPR's revenue actually comes from AMC. And the fact that they are opening their theaters and bankruptcy is off the table and AMC is going to start repaying old deferred lease payments as well as continuing to pay the lease payments now is a great thing. We're going to start seeing cash flow back into EPR Properties. This is a great thing for EPR. What's interesting is to note is that EPR is still down 20% from their pre-pandemic highs, which just happens to correlate with how much of their revenue comes from AMC. Now, AMC isn't expected to recover fully for another couple of years. However, I believe they're going to start paying their debt now that they have all that capital on hand. They did defer this debt to EPR earlier in the year and almost all of 2020, but moving forward into 2021 into 2022, there's enough cash on hand for them to be paying these debts, and I don't expect them to be deferring or doing any funny business there with EPR. So this is a great thing for EPR, and there's plenty of room for them to rise. I did a full stock analysis on EPR Properties last week, link below. Let me know what you think of the video. Frank Finance, out.